I want that.
I want that too. Okay, obviously I'm going to be making a wewden hat, but I'm gonna be doing this a little bit differently, and there will be a surprise. Also, I don't have any just big chunks of basswood anymore. I use all those on the bokeh hands video. I promise it's coming. It's just taking me a long time. Also, I gotta get some other videos out to entertain you in the meantime. So, I'm gonna be using scraps of wood. You guys may not know this, but I keep all my cutoffs for projects like this, because that's not very good to waste wood. So, what I need to do is, I need to get all my scraps, plane them down to the right thickness, glue them all together into one giant bloke. Then I'm going to take my pattern, which by the way, is going to look a little weird, but there's a reason for that. Just trust me. Do you trust me? No? Oh shot. Okay, you may have noticed that I screwed on some 2x4s, gonna clamp it to the table. Now, we're gonna go ahead and do some carving on this hat with some Arbortech tools. The mini grinder, turbo plane, and the industrial wood carver. Arbortech hat as a reference. And I know this is not gonna be perfectly the same because this is round. So just stick around, I promise. This will all make sense, sort of. Oh, by the way, this is not sponsored by Arbortech. I just like their tools. We're gonna take off these hard edges, make that nice and curved and smooth, all the way around, like a baby's bottom, but made from wood. By the way, Nicole hates these shoes. I like them. I think they're very fashionable. Oh, and I got a cool shirt too. Let's put in some happy little carvings. Okay. I mean, I think it already looks pretty cool, you gotta admit. We're gonna take it over to the other table and do a little bit more carving on it, but with the rotary carver. Oh my goodness, a wewden hat. But we're not done, oh no. And in order to finish it, I think I'm going to need some help. So, come here, I want to show you someone. Wow, my house just got way cooler. Where am I? It's like some sort of alternate universe. Oh my gosh, William Osman!
Why? 1 second. Too much toilet paper. It's too much toilet paper.
Hey, Cameraman John.
What the fuck?
How did you get in, anyways?
I just went through that rift, the time rift in the
doing like that
parallel
weird,
universe.
That weird demon stuff again? You reading that book you found in a dumpster?
Necronomico, Bobby Duke's sign, Necronomicon.
And how do you explain that? William, there is a purpose for me being here.
Yes.
It's because I need help. I'm making something kind of unusual. Come with me. Come.
This is like those Instagram stories.
Come with me. Hey, you've almost got. Oh, shoot.
Slippery than I remember.
Okay, you almost got it. A little bit more practice, and I think you'll be almost there. Come this way.
Okay.
You ready?
I am ready. Oh, God.
Okay.
It's like a salad ball.
It's glorious.
Wow. I
Yeah.
think that's... Oh, that is such a freaking big hat.
I know how to make a hat, but I don't know make it how.
I don't know make it how to follow the sun.
Okay, what we're doing is we are making a hat that follows the sun. And full disclosure, this idea actually came from my little brother Jackson, who couldn't make it with us today, but I love you, Jackson.
So
William,
let's pretend you're the sun. So as I turn away, I want the hat to be in the optimum sun blocking position. It'll be like this.
Right, and a sombrero would not fix that.
It wouldn't? We can't say that.
It was at this moment Bobby realized he failed to mention that the other part, the part where we make the hat follow the sun, is going to actually be on William's channel, and that when you're through with this one, be sure to go and watch it on his. Thank you. So what we obviously need to do next is to carve out all this material here.
So this has to be bigger than the shortest length of your hair, the longest length.
Yeah, that's why it was made round. So when it turns and it's in this position, there's the same amount of space on the front and back as there is when it's in this position. Plus it looks cooler.
Yeah.
All right, it is the next day because we've been procrastinating. William, what are you doing?
Floss, Bobby, thanks for asking.
Dental hygiene is very important, but I think you're doing it wrong. I think you're
with a towel, a bath towel.
I think you're doing it wrong.
Stuck doing this would be a pretty funny video.
Oh my God. Look at his jaw. Poor guy. At least he was wearing his seatbelt.
You could have just lied and said we didn't procrastinate.
Let's just jump into it. How do we secure this thing?
This is awful!
Yeah.
Is that blood? No, it's paint.
Okay. So we're gonna put it in a little bokeh. That'll be a little safer, so I won't have to.
It just goes.
It just goes,
It
man.
just goes.
It just goes.
I get it right to the line.
Perfect.
That's
excellent
this
job.
Is awful.
Yeah. Let's freaking do it, guys. Well, it's day 3, and we're still not done with the hat because we've been procrastinating. Again.
We were really busy yesterday.
We're still busy.
I want to ride it.
We're just
not
not
as
busy
busy as
with this
yesterday.
project. We need to go ahead and paint a couple of details on this. I think we're gonna cut a little hole out of the back, like, you know, right here. We need to go get paintbrushes. I literally asked if they had any paintbrushes. That's all they have. It's not gonna work. So we need more paintbrushes.
Are we gonna wear our costumes to the store?
Are we? Will we get arrested?
I don't know, I'm just assuming it'll cut to the store right now and we're either wearing the costumes or not wearing the costumes.
Spicy just a sandwich, right?
Yeah, actually, can I do 2 of the doubles? I can't believe that worked.
I know.
You're not supposed to walk to the drive-thru.
But I'm on a horse.
And I'm being abducted by aliens, so.
Thanks, Wendy's.
All right, we're back.
Cameraman John didn't record any audio though.
Yeah, thanks, John. It's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and start painting on this, and William is going to try and work out all of the shenanigans that are going to go inside here. He knows what he's doing, right? Will? Yes? He knows what he's doing. All right, so let's boast out the paints. I always open these things wrong. I think it had a flap.
You flap.
You are a flap.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm gonna paint. You're gonna be the science nerd guy, and we'll just do that. How's that sound? I think it sounds good. Yeah!
Go team. I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. Did I tell you that already?
Hey guys, it's finished. Okay, that's quite enough of that. Guys, remember, this is only the first part to this project. The other half, where we attempt to make the hat follow the sun, is over on William's channel. Go check it out. It's freaking hilarious. So, go to his channel, subscribe to William Osman. He's a good friend of mine, he's hilarious, and you really just need to subscribe to his channel. Also, I have new shirts. I have a merch store. I'm super excited about it. If you look down below the video, there's like a little banner and you can click on those things and purchase a shirt. Tons of people asking for a shirt that said Wewd. So I got in touch with my good friend Sarah over at Wartooth Designs. Go check her out. She came up with this design. I think it's perfect. If you want to support me and my channel and what I do and possibly have me do less sponsorships in the future, go pick up a shirt. It would help me out a lot. Plus, I mean, it's just a cool shirt. I really appreciate you guys making it to the end of the video. It means a lot to me. And until next time, if life gives you Wewd, turn it into a giant, ridiculous hat.